everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time seeing me. My name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, food, vlogging, makeup, fashion, all that kind of stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be having a self-care day slash at-home spa day. This is much needed because online school just started and it's kind of stressful. It's a lot more work than I was expecting. So I'm excited to be able to take this afternoon, have some fun spa day activities anybody can do from the comfort of their own home. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my fluffy robe. This robe is actually from Costco. I'll try and find this one or link a similar one down below, but it is so soft, it's so fluffy, it's almost floor length, but I'm pretty tall, so not quite, but I love it. It's so soft and warm, so that's what I'm going to be wearing for most of the day today unless I get hot. So the first thing I did was make a to-do list of all of the different things that I will be doing today. Obviously face mask, I'm going to be painting my toenails, I'm going to be having an Epsom salt foot soak, I'm going to be doing my nails at home like I did in that video, and I'm going to be lighting a candle, and of course I'm going to be making and drinking some coffee. So the first thing I'm going to do is light the candle. As you guys know, obviously I just told you from the first clip, I always like lighting a candle when I'm having a spa day, and the candle I'm going to be using today is the scent Coconut Smoothie from Candle Garden Co. This is an awesome small business that makes plant-themed soy-based candles. Why did I say candles weird? Candles, also, there you go. And they smell super delicious, and they have this beautiful planty succulent kind of a design on the top. They smell super delicious, so if you would like to get one, you can use my code right here, Instagram15, to get 25% off of your order. So you should definitely go get some because they smell good, and it's a small business, which is important to support those, especially right now since we're still in a pandemic. So I'm going to be showing you me lighting this candle. Hello everyone, this is me editing this video right now, and I just wanted to mention the candle in the next clip. The candle in the next clip that you're about to see looks a little bit messed up. That is because it got melted on the way here because Nashville heat is crazy right now. It is August in Nashville, and so it got a little bit melted, but here is what the candles usually would look like if they're not a tiny bit melted. Honestly, they still look beautiful even if they're a little bit melted, and I was DMing with Candle Garden Co. about this, and they are going to be working on making their packaging be more insulated, so this won't happen in the future if you order a candle from them. Just wanted to pop in and let you know, enjoy some candle ASMR. So this is what the candle jar looks like. I got the scent Coconut Smoothie. Here's what mine looks like. It did get a little bit melted because Nashville heat is crazy right now. It still looks super cool and unlike any other candle I've ever seen before. This one smells so delicious, and I'm about to light it. Here's a little bit of candle ASMR for you guys. I mean, you guys, look at that. That is just beautiful, and it smells so good. Okay, I took off my robe because I got hot, but now that my wonderful candle is lit, I'm going to go get some coffee and start boiling some water for my Epsom salt. That smells delicious, so let's go do that right now. Cross out coffee. Okay, so I'm about to put some Epsom salt into a giant bowl from my kitchen, where I clean it out very well before we actually use it, and we rarely use this one because it's so giant. So I'm going to put some eucalyptus Epsom salt in here and then put the hot water in there. First off, apologies, I know it's echoey in here. This is my bathroom, but this is where I'm going to be putting on a face mask, so apologies for the echo. But right now, before I put my feet in the Epsom salt soak, I am going to be putting on one of my favorite face masks. I'm going to be putting on one of my favorite face masks, which is the Freeman oil absorbing one. Everything I mentioned in this video almost dropped this, will be linked in the description down below if you guys want to go buy it and have a matching spa day with me. So I'm going to be putting this on and then leaving it on for 15 minutes while I am soaking my feet and getting ready for my pedicure. So I'm going to put that on right now. Also, whenever I put on a face mask, I always put on one of these headbands just to prevent the face mask from getting in my hair. Okay, so now that I have my face mask off, done soaking my feet in Epsom salt, I am going to paint my toenails and then do my nails with the Kiss at Home manicure kit that I did a video about that I'll put in the eye here if you want to go watch it. Yeah, my skin feels super soft and smooth, and I'm gonna go do my nails now. Now I have finished painting my toenails. I'm not going to show you because some people don't like feet. I painted them with this pretty light pink color that I painted my nails with the last time I did my nails with these, which is what I'm going to be doing again today, and I haven't done that since that video, so this should be interesting, exciting, because that was like a month or two ago. That's crazy. Man, quarantine time flies by, but also goes so slow. Anybody else feeling like that? Because that's how this whole quarantine has felt. Anyway, so I'm about to do my nails. I'm gonna probably watch some YouTube or listen to some more music like I was doing while I had my face mask on. I'm excited because if you remember last time, I don't know if I put this actually in the video, but I did not have any good nail files, and I found 2 this time. That is pretty incredible and amazing. Candle up here, you can't see it, but I can smell it. Still going strong. I also don't know if I mentioned, but I will have the Candle Garden Company's Instagram link down below and their Etsy link down below. Definitely go check them out. I'm gonna do my nails now. Cue time lapse. So now I have all of the different little nail sizes picked out, so I'm just gonna glue them on and then shape them and paint them. Oh, wait. Okay, nothing's on fire. Great. Okay, so right now I finished gluing them and then shaping them. I made them be in a like more ovally or like square oval kind of shape. Why do I do like this? I just go like normal. So I'm gonna be painting them this bluish color and we'll call it a day. Okay, so I lied. I actually ended up doing my nails more on sort of close up right here. I put glitter on them and I love it so much. It is a party on my fingernails. I love it so much. I use this like McDonald's Happy Meal quality glitter nail polish that I found that has confetti in it. And I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I'll put the glistens right here because I love it and it looks so pretty. So this is actually the end of the video, the end of the self-care day. I don't know what that dance move was, but if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're interested in the other kinds of content that I make to help me, and also it would help me reach my goal of 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. And use my code for 25% off your candles at Candle Garden Co. Instagram 15. It is right here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.